Come on in and welcome to my kitchen. In our last video, we learned how to make Nigerian chin-chin. If you're yet to watch that video, I'll be leaving a link for you in the description section. Today's video will be about Ofe Akwu, aka Banga soup. And I'll be showing you the way Delta Ibos in Nigeria make theirs, because that is where I come from and it's very dear to my heart. This video is going to show you what ingredients you'll be needing. It will be showing you how to measure out that ingredient. It will be showing you how to achieve Ofe Akwu that is thick. It will be showing you how to make Ofe Akwu using your canned palm kernel instead of your fresh palm kernel. I will show you, if you have a problem like I did, how to navigate through the problem of excess oil that comes with the canned palm kernel. I had a problem with that, but in this video I'll be sharing with you the trick to taking out that excess oil and having yourself Ofe Akwu that looks so rich and looks like you used the regular or the fresh palm kernel. So without us speaking too much, let's head onto the work table and start cooking.
On our ingredient list, we have assorted meat of your choice, utazi and aluluisi, also known as nchao. Now, you need to use a ratio of 3 parts aluluisi to 1 part utazi, because utazi has a bitter taste and the nchao will balance it out. Canned palm kernel concentrate, stock and dry fish, seasoning powder, yam cubes, smoked prawns, ogirisi, dawa, ground pepper, and fresh fish. Sprinkle salt on the fish to help bring out its flavor. Toss it around and place it in the fridge to rest while you continue. Let's prepare our meat. Add in chopped onion, seasoning powder, salt, and top with water to cover it, and then cook on high heat. We are going to address the excess oil situation. Scoop out the cream into a pot. Add in some water and cook under low to moderate heat till the excess oil floats on top of it. Next, we are going to hydrate our dry herbs, that's the nchao and aluluisi, and soak our fish for rinsing later. About 5 minutes later, sieve out your herb, you will notice the sand settle in the bottom like so. Follow up with additional rinsing and transfer to a blending bowl. It's time to prepare the unique spice that is used. Add in the crayfish, pour in some water for easy blending, and blend away. At this stage, my hand blender decided to back up on me, and I inevitably had to bring out my big blender and continue with my blending. Stop at interval and scrape down the side of your bowl for uniform blending. Add in your dry pepper. Top with little water as needed if you feel your blade is not moving well, and continue to blend. What we want is a smooth textured puree. Add in your ogirisi and dawa. Now, I love to mix these two together as a preference, but you can add only dawa. Continue to blend to incorporate all the layers together. At the end of it all, this is the almighty spice that will make the soup speak in tongues. Wash your soaked fish to take out all the yama. I will leave a link to another video in the description section for a detailed way to do this. Let's check on our meat for doneness. You should feel no resistance when you pierce through. Once that is achieved, add in your yam cubes, and this will serve as thickener for the soup, and cook till done. At this stage, some of the oil has floated on top. All you need to do is carefully spoon it out. Later on, check on the yam for doneness. Once knife pierces through, bring it out because you don't want it to be too mushy during kneading in your blender. Transfer into that blender of yours and pound or knead as shown. It does not have to come into a ball of dough before transferring out of your blender. Kitchen safety, kitchen safety. Please, don't be like Violet using your hand to avoid burning. Rather, get a spoon or something and scoop it out into a bowl. Proceed to smoothing this dough into a ball and set aside. Next, scoop into the pot the palm kernel concentrate. Thin out the mixture like so. Till you get this runny consistency. Add in your washed stock and dry fish. Then add in your blended spice, in little by little. You can always adjust as you cook. Bring the content to a boil. And taste to see if you need more spice. I decided to finish all my spice at this stage. Once satisfied with the taste, add in your thickener in big size bowls, as you want it to retain most of its form, because you'll be taking it out once soup is thickened. Spoon out the excess oil as you notice more float to the surface. If you do not mind it, you can skip all these steps. Notice the soup is thickening and the yam balls are still intact. That is what you want. Once you have achieved your desired consistency, take out the thickener. Note, this will still take in some more when left to cool. Remember our fresh fish. It is time to add it in. Okay, let's play a game. Let me know in the comment section why you think we wanted to add this as the last step. Once added, carefully fold it in so that it is immersed in the soup. Be gentle please, if not, your fish will scatter. Top it with a bit of water if needed to have the soup at same level as the warriors in it. Cover it up and allow to cook till fish is done. Usually takes me about 10 to 15 minutes, but check yours for doneness. Our soup looks good and your kitchen should be filled with aroma at this stage. See if you need to add some salt. If it's okay, give yourself a thumbs up and take off the stove. This is me showing you the excess oil I took out. Like I said, if you don't mind it, skip the extra steps. Thanks for watching. I hope this turns out great for you. If you're a newbie, I would appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell for instant upload. To my oldie, thanks for stopping by and staying with me. Until next time, when I see you again, let's learn and cook together. Bye-bye.